G'day, I'm Ryan from Hoselink, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your leader hose on your retractable hose reel. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the side cap on the leader hose side of your hose reel. Next, use the circlip pliers to remove the circlip. Then remove the sleeve from the fluid converter. Now cut the leader hose below the casing and remove. Clean both the fluid converter and sleeve with the paper towel to remove any debris. Lubricate the O-rings on the fluid converter. Thread your new leader hose through the slot in the casing. Carefully press the sleeve onto the fluid converter without damaging the O-rings. Make sure the hose clamp screw is facing up. Reattach the circlip. Now we're going to fit the new hose end connector. Prepare your half cup of boiling water. Ensure the hose is cut square. Slide the yellow nut onto the hose and put the white split ring flush with the hose end. Submerge the hose end 2 centimeters deep into the boiled water for approximately 10 seconds to soften. Press the hose onto the stem, making sure it reaches the bottom. Screw the yellow nut down onto the fitting. Hand tighten. Test by applying water pressure and look for any drips. Lastly, put the side cap back in place.